guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nay of AhhhSoNeo. I am so glad to be back with you guys because of course I have another unboxing. I can't help myself, guys. It's Louis Vuitton Christmas Animation pieces time, and of course, you know, I had to pick up some pieces, so let's just get right to it, shall we? Shall we? So guys, I am not gonna lie, I'm so happy. I finally picked up something that has been on my 2019 wish list. I've been not so serious this time around with the wish list, but I did pick up some pieces, yes. So on my 2019 wish list, I had on there that I would like some pieces from the Louis Vuitton Christmas Animation releases, and I worked with my girl LV Tiffany SF. Hey girl, she is in Bloomingdale's in San Francisco. I worked with her, and of course I was able to pick up some pieces. I have opened the box, but that's it. I opened the box because just to make sure, you know, things were in there, but I haven't actually even seen these. I've never seen these pieces. I've never even seen them in real life. I bought them completely sight unseen, so you're gonna get genuine reaction, and I hope it's good. So before we get into it, yes, I'm gonna make you wait. Hi, my name is Neo. This is my channel AhhhSoNeo, and here I like to talk about luxury, whether that be whether that is a luxury goods, makeup, shoes, handbags, or a luxury mindset. And I have one thing I like to tell everybody who comes to my channel, and that is choose happiness. It's a choice that you get to make every day, every circumstance, regardless of what's going on in the world outside of you. If you can choose happiness, then it doesn't matter what's going on in the world outside of you. So just my little gem there. Thank you very much. But you know, Marie Kondo, buy things that give you joy, keep things that give you joy. Wow. Anyway, I bought something that gives me joy. I'm hoping it's gonna give me joy. So also, please remember to subscribe if you haven't, and if you have already subscribed, remember to hit the notification bell so that you can know when I'm posting more videos. I'm trying to get back to a regular schedule, but you know, sometimes life gets in the way. So yeah, but I will have some videos coming up for you guys. Let's get into this one. Let's ramble more unboxing. Of course, the beloved orange boxes. Two of them, two little orange boxes. Oh, my receipt. Thank you, Tiffany. I've got some gift ribbons. I think they fell off the boxes in transit. Doesn't bother me. These are my Christmas gifts to myself, so we're good there. And oh wow, of course, Tiffany, being the angel that she is, thank you so much, doll. She gave me some more perfume samples. And you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I haven't bought any of these because I've been so lucky to work with SAs who send me the samples that I've yet to feel the need to buy one of the perfumes because I always have a sample. Plus, I don't wear perfume that regularly, and so I feel pretty good about that one. She included the new packaging. You know what? Louis Vuitton really outdid themselves with this packaging this year. I mean, I've even seen the little Christmas trees all over the place. They look amazing. I have up here, oh, there's a box in it. Oh. I think this was last year's Christmas packaging, and yeah, this is, oh my god, I love the three-dimensional look of this, plus the gold raising of the gold letters. I was kidding around on Instagram that I was tempted to buy something just to get the packaging, but then I didn't want to do that because I knew I'd purchase these. But of course, my girl Tiffany, being the superstar that she is, she included the new packaging. So thank you. I really appreciate that. Let's get to the unboxing, goddamn. I am talking way too much. Ooh. So what did I get? I got the Christmas animation pieces, yes. I don't know what the names are. It's the Vivienne things. I wish Louis Vuitton had gone back to their original paper receipts. I don't like these new ones. So I got the port monogram round Vivienne something in blue. And oh, these both say. Well, I got a zippy coin wallet and the round key coin. Not sure what's going on with those receipts, but anyway, you know what? We're not here for the receipts. We're here for the items. This is the zippy. Guys, my favorite kind of wallet is a zippy. Oh, hello. Hello, lava. Hello. It's Damier, which is my preferred canvas. And I love the blue, I love the blue, I love the blue. That's the best part. It's blue on the inside. I love these. I have been thinking about getting a Damier Ebene zippy wallet. So I'm glad I was able to get one with the print because I like to get the limited edition SLGs versus just the plain SLGs. You know what? I think I'm gonna have to do an updated SLG collection because this is now my my fourth zippy? I don't know. We'll see. And then this is a round coin purse. Oh. What is this? Okay. A little gift card thing. Oh, if I want to give it as a gift. Who would be that lucky that I would give this as a gift? Me. Gift to me. Gift to myself. Let's see. Yes. It's the same. What's the word I'm looking for? It's the same print. Vivienne on the water in, I'm assuming, Venice. Yes, because it looks like a gondola. But it's the round point coin purse and it's blue. Oh, that's interesting. It's just a coin purse. It doesn't have the little keychain part to it. I didn't realize that. My other round coin purse that I have, which is also a limited edition one from 2008, it has the little hook that comes out so that you can hook it up to something in your purse or so. I did not realize that this did not have that on the inside. Okay, fantastic. All right, guys. So these are my two pieces. They match my shirt. I swear that was a coincidence. I didn't realize that. They're gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. I'm so excited, so happy. I love being a part of the Louis Vuitton family and just buying stuff, especially the limited edition pieces. Those are my go-to nowadays. I didn't buy as much stuff on my wish list as I would have wanted to, but I'm very happy with these items. So fantastic. And of course the new packaging, fantastic. So look at me, I'm like looking at it, and surely last year's packaging is nothing on this one. Anyway, so guys, thank you so much for watching my little unboxing. If you want to see an updated SLG collection, then click the like button and I'll get on that. And of course, choose happiness. Of course, subscribe. Of course, hit the notification bell. And of course, enjoy the rest of the year, guys. You've got like 33 more days to make it happen. I've got 33 more days to make it happen for 2019. What are you waiting on? Bye.